If we win the toss, we're going to defer and put the defense on the grass. Start right off, get the defense out there, and shut them down right away.
Jags get there. The Jags are going to sack him inside the 10-yard line. That was a jailbreak.
Shut them down right away, right from the jump. Kick off, set the tone. Set the tone.
Firing downfield, and that ball's going to be picked off. Jordan Lewis picked it off.
One thing I'll say, guys, 30 minutes, right here. But at the end of this game, whatever the happens, be able to go home, look yourself in the mirror, and be proud of what you see.
Dropping to Stroud, fires middle of the field, wide open, that's Nico Collins. Ball fumbled, the ball came out and the Jags have it. The ball came out and Devin Lloyd has it, and the Jags take over. What a gigantic play by the Jaguars defense.
The way that we play today, look yourself in the mirror and say, I'm proud to be a Jag. I'm proud to be a Jacksonville Jaguar. And the way that we represent ourselves, and the way that we play this game today, it's going to be our identity.
Looking, fires middle of the field. That was caught! 35, 30, 25, 20. Brian Thomas Jr.
Us. Don't forget, we got to go take this. We got to go take it. This is ours to go take. We don't deserve, they ain't going to give us. Go take it.
Dropping to C.J. Stroud. He gets hit as he let it go. The ball's floating up there. The ball is picked off. They take over at their own 4-yard line. What a play. They hit it as he let it go.
Go take it from them. Have some fun. Fly around. And let's go have some fun. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Jets on 3, 1, 2, 3.
And we welcome you to Everbank Stadium. What a big day it is today on a Sunday afternoon. This is a big one early in the season, Jeff, against a huge division rival.
Well, it is, and every year you set goals as a team, and right at the top are win at home and win the division. First division game today against the reigning division champs, and they have won every game here in Jacksonville for the last 7 years. It's time for that streak to end and for Houston to go back to H-Town 0-3.
And at the end of the day, we know what type of day it's going to be today. The most physical team is going to come out on top. Impose your wheel, man, in 60 minutes. From the start to finish, they got to feel us, man. The man in front of you can't stand a chance. We're going to dominate together, man. Whatever you got to do, come out on top. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win.
Fast. Everybody focus. Let's fly around through our job. Go whoop the blade. Let's go.
Stroud under center, an offset eye, play fake. Dropping the throw. Looking, fires it deep downfield. And that ball is going to be incomplete. He wanted a long crossing route to Nico Collins. Andrew Wingard had the coverage, just an incomplete pass. It'll be third down. Boy, the crowd's noisy today. They know the importance of this thing. Shotgun. They throw a wide receiver screen to the left side and tackled immediately. That's Christian Kirk, his first catch. He got a yard out of that. The Jags bring him down. Jordan Lewis, boy, has he been good in the early season after a 1-yard gain.
Hey, we only have 10. Let's go, man.
Shotgun formation on second down and 10. Jags have thrown 42. Trevor drops again. Looks, good time, fires downfield. That ball's going to be caught. That's a long corner out to his tight end, Brenton Strange. He's going to step out of bounds in Houston territory. Second down and 8 after the 2-yard gain. 5:22 to play. No score in the first quarter. 2 receivers to either side. Trevor drops. Looking, fires middle of the field. That's gone. That's Brian Thomas Jr. That's a way to get BTJ going. That's a first down at the 31-yard line of the Houston Texans. Good drive here for Jacksonville. They got it to the 25-yard line of Houston inside of 4 minutes to play. No score in this big division matchup here at Everbank Stadium. Dropping is Trevor. Looking, fires middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught. That's a first down. That's Parker Washington. He hung on. He got drilled after the catch, but it'll be a first down at the 13-yard line, an 11-yard gain for the Jaguars. Trevor drops. Looking. Fires back of the end zone. That ball is incomplete. And a flag comes in the end zone. The flag came in after the play in the end zone.
That's an easy call for the officials, and in the past we've seen Liam come out after this first and goal opportunity and throw the ball. I don't think we're going to see a throw right here, boys.
They handed to Tootin, lowered the shoulder into the end zone. He walked into the end zone. Touchdown, and Jacksonville strikes first.
That's the way to move the line of scrimmage. I mean, literally the offensive line just took the Texans' defensive line and pushed them almost as a group, almost like a motor grader, pushed them into the black of the end zone.
Whole way. Everybody keep up. Pass out. We got knockback blocks, point of attack. Everybody play under the table on these tight ends. Let's put their ass back in the
Texans at their own 20-yard line. They go left to right. Shotgun for C.J. Stroud. He drops, four-man rush. Looking. Jags get there. The Jags are going to sack him inside the 10-yard line. It was a jailbreak. Trayvon Walker finished him off. Devin Lloyd got there first. Great work by the Jaguars defense. They got him around the 7-yard line.
Trey. Started with 2D, Lord. I told you that right side good for you.
Second down, 10. Jags at their own 31. 25 seconds to play in the first quarter. Jacksonville leads Houston 7-0. Dropping against a four-man rush, a five-man rush. Now throws the one left solid. That's Brian Thomas Jr. Oh, he went up and tried to bring it down, but it was knocked away at the last minute. It looked like Brian was going to bring that thing down, but Stingley made a really nice play and knocked it out of there at the last minute along the left sideline near the 35-yard line of Houston. Kaimi Fairbairn missed earlier from 52. It was his first miss of the year in 6 tries. This is more of a chip shot here. It is a 27-yarder. Townsend puts it down. Fairbairn kicks it up, and this field goal is good, and we have got to halftime. A defensive affair here in Jacksonville. Jags 7, Houston 3. All right, Jags lead at 7-3, getting ready to play in the second half. It was all about defense, really. Both teams have a scoring drive, and that's been about it. But, Jeff, this one's been all about defense, really, the entire game.
And it has. I mean, you're talking about 195 total yards of offense in this ball game. That's not a whole lot. And give the Texans some credit. The Jaguars' offense wanting to come out and establish a physical brand of football, and the Texans have just stymied the running game of the Jaguars. So give the Texans credit. Right now, they are being very physical and matching the physicality of the Jaguars' offense.
Can you get a chunk play here? Trevor drops, looking, fires. That's caught Travis Hunter. Made a man miss. That's a great spin move. 30, 35-yard line. Made another miss. 40. That's what Travis Hunter can do. He made about 2 or 3 defenders miss. He got it out to the 43-yard line. That is a first down for Jacksonville after a 20-yard gain. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Fires a crossing route. That's caught. That's Brenton Strange. He made a man miss. He got hit. Stays on his feet. Broke a tackle and carried a defender forward. That is great work by Brenton Strange. So now it'll be a 39-yard field goal. Cook puts it down. Cam Little kicks it up. And the 39-yard field goal is good.
They're not letting us rush because they know we'll wreck the game. But at some point, they're going to have to. 100%. That's it, right? We've seen 4 screens or draws on third down and long. Take this playing the game, keeping our foot on their throat. It's going to open up.
They're going to sack him. They're going to wrap him up inside the 20-yard line. What work that was. Josh Hines Allen got there. An 8-yard loss, and Houston's going to have to punt it away.
When we coordinate our
together. If he didn't get it, you would get it. Some gonna get it. Hey. Gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. Hey, don't be satisfied. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't be satisfied. Don't be satisfied. You want more. You want more. You put on your neck.
And that ball's gonna be picked off. Jordan Lewis picked it off. What a play. They blitzed. Stroud got it out of his hands, and Jordan Lewis picked it off and ran it back to around the 25-yard line. That is great work once again by that Jaguar defense.
Yes.
I said, Bill.
Need one more. Need one more. Jordan, need one more. Need one more. I'm gonna tell you why.
3rd down, 10. You're right, Jeff. 3 straight drops on their last 3 plays. So now all of a sudden you're 2 out of 11 on 3rd down, and you got to stay on the field here. They just get it off. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Fires deep downfield, and that's into coverage. That one went right into coverage, and it is picked off. First bad decision he has made today. He threw one into coverage. Jalen Petrie jumped up and picked it off. And now great field position for the Texans around midfield. 9:25 to play. You're asking that defense to somehow do it again. They have been marvelous in this game. They've allowed 3 points the entire game. They've allowed 8 first downs the entire game. They've allowed 148 in yards. They have suffocated the Texans offense, but now Houston has new life at midfield. 10-3 game. Dropping is Stroud. Looking, fires it deep downfield, wide open receiver. Collins is wide open. Someone blew a coverage. He's going to walk into the end zone. It is going to be a 50-yard touchdown pass, a blown coverage.
Double move, it looks like, and it looks like Tyson Campbell completely took the bait.
Yeah, guys, you talked about the missed opportunities. And that's not only that last sequence where you had 2 drops, an interception, and a bomb, but you've had a missed field goal. You've had numerous opportunities to knock this team out. But this will be what Liam has talked about. How do we handle adversity? How do we bounce back?
4th down and 2 at the 47-yard line. Yeah, the offense stays on the field. It's a 5-yard gain.
And Liam Cohen has always said this, that he's going to be aggressive, he's going to be bold, and here we go.
Dropping is Trevor. Fires, tipped, and incomplete. And now the Texans, who have trailed this entire game, suddenly are in a tie game with 6:14 to play in fantastic field position, their own 47 as they take over.
The Jaguars defense needs to rise up again and be the hero in this game.
Ball fumble. The ball came out and the Jags have it. The ball came out and Devin Lloyd has it. It was a fumble and went right to Devin Lloyd, and the Jags take over. What a gigantic play by the Jaguars defense.
Oh my, I think it was Tyson Campbell causes the fumble and the ball's bouncing around, and there just happened to be this beautiful bounce, and it bounces into the hands of Devin Lloyd. 2 takeaways in this ball game by the Jaguars defense, and that one right there was way bigger than the last.
That's how you make that.
That's how you get that job, boy.
That's how you bounce back, though. I told you about that. It ain't like someone bounce back like that. They built like that, man. That would have been the rest of the game. That drop. No fear, Jim. No fear, Jim.
That's Jerry.
Work that jab. You work that. You threw the out that jab. You threw that jab like Sugar Ray.
You gotta win, bro.
We will.
Here we go. 3rd down, 6. Jags are 3 out of 14 on 3rd down. Trevor drops. Looks. He's going to scramble forward. Trevor's going to try and run for it. Breaks a tackle. First down, Trevor Lawrence. He did it with his feet. There was nobody there. He tucked it away. He ran it to the 31-yard line. That's a 7-yard gain and a first down.
That's what you needed. Your quarterback to make a play, whether it's with his arm or with his legs. And his arm really has fallen short in some categories because of all the drops, but he just got to be careful at the end there. Get down without taking contact, but a big play nonetheless.
Now they're changing the play, apparently. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Fires middle of the field. That was caught! 35, 30, 25, 20. Brian Thomas Jr. And it's a first down near the 10-yard line of the Houston Texans. How good is that?
That is a great job by Trevor Lawrence because he checked the protection. He moved Etienne to the opposite side to make sure that he would have everybody blocked. And everybody was. And then he finds Brian Thomas Jr. and Brian Thomas Jr. pays it off this time.
Etienne, the running back. Trevor under center. They give it to Travis Etienne. Picks his way to the 5. He's going to walk into the end zone.
That's all that matters to make the last one in play. Let's go. Proud of you, bro. That's what you do. That's what you do matters.
So 27 seconds. Jags 17, Texans 10, 27 seconds to play. 3rd and 1 Texans from the 28 of Jacksonville.
Get out! Get out!
The ball is picked off! The Jags, I believe it, picked it off! The Jags have picked it off! The Jags have picked it off! They take over at their own 4-yard line!
Let's go.
Josh Hines-Allen has a great pass rush, and Josh gets the backside of the ball as C.J. Stroud is trying to throw it, and the ball goes up fluttering, and Antonio Johnson comes down with it. This Jaguars defense has won the day. You want to talk about an impressive performance from beginning to start. This Jaguars defense grinded out an ugly win for this football team.
Warrior. Appreciate you, man. Love you.
Let's do it, brother. Come on.
Hey, how's that? You talking about staying with it, right? Highs and lows. We talked about that. How do we respond? Tyson Campbell. Let's go. Hey, Brian Thomas Jr. Guys, when you play complimentary football defensively, y'all were on shit today, boys. On that. On that. Guys, it wasn't pretty in some ways. Understand that. Guys, it doesn't matter. You learn how to win. We learn how to win. Big game, division game, at home. When we were doing wasn't really working on offense. Wasn't flowing. You guys had our backs in big time moments. And then we made the plays when it mattered most. Made plays. I can't tell you how proud I am of you guys. Cannot tell you. Guys, this is a fun group, man. This is a special group we got right here. Let's go. This is a special group. You guys should absolutely go home tonight and be proud of what the you see in the mirror. Without question. Be proud of that. Because you guys took that. You guys took that right from them. Took it. I can't be more proud of you guys. Excited about the next thing, guys. Let's keep rolling. Enjoy this. Enjoy it. Enjoy your family, your friends. Enjoy each other because you guys earned this. Y'all earned it. I appreciate you guys to the fullest. Coaches, great job. Everybody, staff, everybody did a thing to make this win happen. Everybody was a part of it.
Hey, great job, fellas. Enjoy it. We keep rolling. Jags on 3. 1, 2, 3. Jags.
Great job, boys. Great job, buddy.